Hey guys, Tom here, and welcome back to another episode of Motor Madness. Today, we're trying out a new setup. Well, it's kind of new and kind of old. It's a combination of two things. So, we've got the glasses, and we've also got the GoPro. So, the GoPro is the camera you guys are mostly going to be seeing, but if I ever point something out and I'm looking at something that the GoPro can't see, it will switch to the glasses, and you'll be able to see what I'm looking at. But then, to keep things stable and so that you guys don't feel sick, it will mostly be on the GoPro, because that's stabler and it's not shaking when I shake and all sorts of other stuff. But yeah, the only downside is that even though the GoPro is 1080p 60 FPS, the glasses are 1080p 30 FPS, so that might be a little jarring. I don't know. Maybe I can try switching the GoPro to 30 FPS if you guys would like that, so that things are more consistent. Because the only other option for 60 FPS on the glasses is to bring it down to 720p, and it's not really worth it. But if you guys want me to just go to 1080p 30 everything, let me know, because that might improve quality overall as well, because YouTube likes to compress 60 FPS videos to crap anyways. But yeah, we're gonna go for a drive. It's 70 degrees outside, or at least it was. My car says it's 61, but that might be because it's in the shade. We're about to go and blind ourselves. But yeah, we are driving around. We're back in the Subaru. We're doing Motor Madness. A lot of stuff has happened. Hopefully, I will be doing more of this. It's a little hard to... Actually, it shouldn't really be all that hard to do, because all I have to do is get in the car, set up the cameras, and record. It's a lot easier than... It's about as time-consuming as gaming. It's only a little more expensive because of gas, I guess. But we're going to drive around, and I'm going to try and avoid highways because there's more wind noise and stuff. But hopefully the microphone fixes most of that. Hello, officer. So, what has been happening for those of you that watch Motor Madness and none of my other videos, which doesn't sound too likely because this is one of my lesser popular car series things. Second most popular being my Cars series, and my most popular being Car Topics Explained, which should be pretty obvious. But yeah, Car Topics Explained, as you guys probably already know, is a series of videos where I explain topics that have to do with cars. I have a few good ones planned. Brian's Eclipse, a part 2 video on the Fast and Furious 4 Skyline, and some more things. I'm going to try and upload those once a week now. Still trying to get rid of all of my gaming content so that I can go into full car channel mode and just move all of my gaming to like Twitch or something. But it's annoying and it's time consuming because I have to go through all the hours and hours of footage, and I had to get a new external hard drive. But yeah, and then the other series I talked about, my Cars series. There's a bikeist. The other series is my Cars series, which is pretty cool, because it's all about me modifying my cars. And so that basically means, me trying to put new parts on this car right now, because this is the only car I have, but the series is about any cars I will ever own. Hey, we've got two species of bikeist over here. We've got a bikeiclist and a sport bikeist up in front of him. I can hear a train. And so currently, right now, I'm trying to put the Greddy Type S blow-off valve on the Subaru. And I'm almost there. I just finished recording, editing, and now I am now exporting episode 2 of that series. I had to tinker with the adapters a lot. I sent the aluminum pieces to a machine shop where they will get me exactly what I need, and then I will be installing the blow-off valve in probably about a little under a month, maybe, hopefully, which is pretty cool. Oh my goodness. So yeah, it's a lot warmer out than it used to be. I'm gonna turn on the AC just to make sure I don't overheat while I'm doing this recording, because I kind of want to stay out here for as long as possible, but I need to keep the office nice and warm. Let's go left. Why not? That way I don't have to stop at a stoplight and just keep the flow going, because I have nowhere in mind that I want to go. I just want to drive, maybe find an intersection where I can do a launch, maybe. But yeah, not a whole lot has been going on. We're probably going to be nearing the end of this current Motor Madness season pretty soon, because this season began when I moved back to Iowa, and I'm thinking about, hopefully going back to Illinois, switching to SIUE, living with my girlfriend, and all sorts of great stuff, great things. And so this season will probably end when I run out of, when I move from Iowa and go back to there, and season 3 will start. But hopefully season 3 will have even more quality than this one, and hopefully more consistency. Because I'm hoping to have a new upload schedule where it's Mondays Motor Madness, Wednesdays My Cars, Fridays Car Topics Explained, and then Saturdays vlogs if I have any. Well, actually, it's I have any for any of those. If I have content in any of those categories, they will be uploaded on those days. But yeah, so hopefully I'll be in that kind of rhythm when I start season 3. Maybe this setup will be good enough for you guys, whether I switch to 30 FPS on the GoPro or not. Whatever works to ensure good quality so that you guys can enjoy yourselves as much as possible. But yeah, the main 3 series I want to be doing once I'm done with all the gaming is Motor Madness, Car Topics Explained, and My Cars. Let's just have this be a car channel with vlogs and stuff about life, and also reviews. But that's not so much a series, more as exciting videos. But I can tell you about some of the cars that I'm hoping to review. So obviously I'm going to do a second draft of a review for the Subaru. Because the first one, it was okay, but the audio and video quality wasn't the best, so and it might have been a little bit too long, so I'm going to try and improve that. So yeah, that's pretty good. The next episode of my car review playlist, once I do the second draft of this, a review of this car, is I will review our 2016 Dynon-tuned 340i xDrive. That'll be fun. And then in Illinois, I've got a Nissan 370Z I want to review, a BMW 535i, and if any of my other friends want their cars to be reviewed, There's also that. Oh, look, a red Mustang. But yeah, so those are those cars. And then there's some other very interesting cars as well, like, for example, a C7 Z06 and maybe a Dodge Viper. That'd be really cool, because I will have done reviews of cars with 4-cylinder engines, like mine, 6-cylinder engines, like the BMWs and the Nissans, and 8 cylinders, like the Corvette, and 10 cylinders, like the Viper. I don't know where I'm going to find something with 12 cylinders to review, maybe like an old BMW 8 Series or something. That'd be cool. But yeah, so that's neat that those are even possibilities. Hopefully, I should probably be a little bit more proactive about it, but maybe I'll try and do the second version of the review of this car this upcoming weekend, in relative to me recording this and also this video being published. So yeah, it's going to be a little weird, because this video is going to be published. I'm going to be saying, oh, it's so nice and warm, but when the episode 2 of My Cars comes out, it's going to start with me driving around and it's all snowy and icy, and stuff like that. Oh, there's a bird. You guys probably can't see that, and these glasses can't zoom in, obviously. I don't know how that would work. But yeah, so that's going to be really funny. So it's going to be like, oh, good weather. And then, welcome to My Cars. It's snowing and unpleasant.